Ground tissue system, it is composed of cortex, endodermis, pericycle and pith. In case of monogod stem, rest of these tissues are absent. Instead that it is filled with the ground tissue system only, right? Next, the third one, vascular tissue system, also called conducting tissue system, shortly called VTS. Why it is called conducting means they perform water conduction and food conduction, because basically vascular bundle is made up of phloem and xylem. Phloem performs food conduction from source to sink. Source means leaf. Sink means other storage part of the plant. Whereas xylem translocate water, minerals, nutrients, phytohormones and amino acids from tip of the root to tip of the shoot over several meters height. Vascular bundles are of various kinds based on presence or absence of cambium. P for phloem, 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 phloem. X for xylem, 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 xylem. Phloem, xylem. Phloem, xylem. It is called cambium. It is called cambium. Cambium in the sense vascular cambium. Phloem, xylem and cambium. Conjoint, closed. Vascular bundle, conjoint, open. Vascular bundle, VB means short form vascular bundle. Bicollateral vascular bundle followed by radial vascular bundle. See, vascular bundles broadly are of four kinds according to NCERT lines. Conjoint open vascular bundle, conjoint closed vascular bundle, conjoint open vascular bundle, bicollateral vascular bundle and radial vascular bundle. The first one, conjoint closed vascular bundle. What is conjoint? Conjoint means phloem and xylem join with each other. Phloem and xylem join with each other, that is called conjoint. Next, closed. Closed means when cambium absent between phloem and xylem, then it is known as closed vascular bundle. Closed vascular bundle. Second one, conjoint. Before that, conjoined closely vascular bundle. Example, monocot stem. So the second one, conjoined open vascular bundle. Conjoined means same. Phloem and xylem joined with each other, attached with each other. That is called conjoint. Open means cambium. Cambium present between phloem and xylem. That is called open vascular bundle. When cambium is absent between phloem and xylem, then it is called closed. When it is present, that is known as open. Okay, observe difference between open vascular bundle and closed vascular bundle. Important for NEET object exam, don't forget. Next, conjoined open vascular bundle. Example, dicot, stem and root. Dicot, stem and root. Next, third one, bicollateral vascular bundle. What is bicollateral? Bi means two. Means see, P for phloem, phloem. X for xylem, X for xylem. Cambium, cambium. Okay. C for cambium, C for cambium. Remember, don't forget. Number of phloem patches are 2 and the number of cambium patches are 2, but number of xylem patch is only 1. That means 2 phloem patches and 2 cambium patches located on either side of the xylem. The type of vascular bundle is known as bicollateral vascular bundle. Bicollateral vascular bundle. Okay, bi means 2. Collateral means side. Lateral means side. So 2 phloem patches and 2 cambium patches present on lateral side of the xylem. Hence it is called bicollateral vascular bundle. Example, Cucurbidaceae family members. Cucurbidaceae family members. The last one, radial vascular bundle. Radial means what? Phloem patches and xylem patches present in different radii. That is called radial vascular bundle. Phloem patch located towards peripheral and xylem patch located towards center. Towards center in the sense around pith. Hence, phloem arranged in one radii and xylem arranged in another radius. Phloem patch alternate xylem patch and xylem patch alternate phloem patch. The type of arrangement of phloem and xylem in the vascular bundle is more technically known as radial vascular bundle. Example, roots. Example, roots. Root means all types of roots. Dicot roots and monocot roots. That's all. It is about vascular or conducting tissue system. The total tissue system topic was completed. Okay. In anatomy of flowering plants, all topics successfully completed. In next class, we will start new chapter, that is biomolecules. Biomolecule, it is somewhat hard chapter but very interesting chapter. It has more weightage for board exam as well as NEET object exam, similarly set exam, KCET exam. Okay, hope you understood. Revise today topics, today ones without deviation, without negligence and irregularity, because it is your life. It is your life. Understood now? Stay home, stay safe, and stay alive. Thank you very much.